Hey everybody, I'm Michelle from Cruisin with the Coacmens, and we are coming to you from Middlebury, Indiana at the Coachmen Apex plant. So Apex has a brand new line. There are 3 models right now. It's called the X Series. And the idea of the X Series is higher walls, that's exciting, lower price point, even more exciting. So it has everything that you love about Apex, but at a lower price point. And they may just be getting rid of features that you didn't like in the first place. For example, got rid of the front window. Let us know in the comments, do you like it without a front window? We want to hear from you. What I have behind me is the 29BHX. It's a Quad Bunk House. So before we go inside, let's take a look at a couple of things. Let's look at the front of the rig. First of all, again, we're saving weight here, so we don't have that front window. This is all still Azdel walls. So everything you love about the Apex brand with the Azdel walls, which creates a waterproof barrier, we've got that here. We have the electric front tongue jack, but only 1 propane tank. There is space for 2 batteries, so you could put 2 batteries on there, but there is only 1 propane, and honestly, if you wanted to add a second, it's not that hard to do. Let's come around to the side. The next thing I'm noticing is this big pass-through space. This is wide. Honestly, it's wider than some of them. And there's still a charge controller in here, and you've still got 200 watts of solar on the roof. Over here, let's see what's inside this other nook. Wow. Okay, so for some of you, you don't like the outdoor kitchen, but if you're like us, you like the outdoor kitchen space. You've got plenty of room for an outdoor kitchen. I love this. This is underneath one of the bunks, but I want to hear from you. What do you think? Do you want the outdoor kitchen space, but you make your own outdoor kitchen? Tell us what you think of this flex space. It's saving money. Again, it's making it a little lighter weight. What do you think? On the back of the rig, let's see what they got. On the back of the rig, it's still prepped for a ladder and backup camera prep. And I think the front tire, the spare tire was underneath in the front. So this is coming in just over 6,000 pounds, and it's under 34 feet. 4 bunks in it. Let's take a look inside. As we come in, the first thing I'm noticing is how big this is. This is very spacious on the inside. So these are recliner seats, so you're not getting extra bunk space here, but you've got 4 in the back. I'm kind of excited that they're recliners. I don't know about you, but I like to put my feet up. And so you got cup holders, you've got a space in here, and you've got comfortable chairs. If we come around here, you do have the dinette where everyone can sit if it's a rainy day, and that can be made into an additional bed if you need it. You've got the 12-volt refrigerator, and it's spacious. I mean, that, if you're bringing 4 kids along, you've got plenty of room. 2-burner stove. I want to know what you think about that as well. So in a bunkhouse model, what do you think about a 2-burner stove? As a couple, we like a 2-burner stove because we've never used more than 2 at a time, but I'd love to hear from you. I also like the extra counter space. I mean, this is deep counter. You've got room for your coffee pot up here. You've got room for a crock pot. Then you've got that big farmhouse sink. Now, again, it's that higher walls, lower price, so there's no sink cover. Again, tell me, what do you think? Do you like that? Underneath here, we've got 2 drawers. We've got 2 cabinets, so you've got plenty of room to put things. And then hidden storage back here. I like this. This is some hidden storage. What do you think? What would you put there? I mean, I feel like I don't know, I probably would put extra paper plates and stuff, because with kids, you can never have too many paper plates or cups. The bedroom, you can see the TV from the bedroom, but there's also a TV backer in the bedroom as well. So you got room, everyone can watch TV if it's a rainy day. You don't have an oven, you've got 2 burners, and you got a microwave, but it is an air fryer microwave. Is that enough for you? I'm curious. What do you think about that when you have kids along? It's got the popcorn button, it's got the air fryer button. I mean, I feel like, and it's pretty big. It's got the things you need inside of it for the air fryer. I'm not gonna take all that out, but it's definitely has some depth to it. So, okay, now moving back here, if you're gonna have all these kids, right? You need a place for all the storage. Now, I will tell you, this is a proto model and they're changing something here. They designed this with this cabinet to open like this. It opens like this. They decided they don't like this and it's gonna be just shelves. So I can see why they decided it wasn't the best idea. So, but you're gonna still have plenty of shelving here. And honestly, it'll be a better design. And then you've got a cabinet underneath. So it's just gonna be cabinet doors. Going into the bathroom, a lot of times in these bunkhouse models, the bathrooms are a little smaller. So that's what we've got going on here. You have room on the toilet. I mean, but I've got room on the toilet. You've got one cabinet here, two here. There's two shelves here. We find that often with the bunkhouse models that it's a tub, whether it's for animals or kids, you've got a tub. And with the higher walls, if you are tall, you're gonna be comfortable in the shower. And I think that's a big advantage. The ceiling is coming in at 81 inches. Hey, Brian, what are you doing?
I'm washing that gray right out of my hair.
It's not going so well.
No.
But you got plenty of headspace.
I got plenty of room.
Let's head back to the back of the rig. 4 bunks. They don't move, so you don't have that optional lifted up. You know, if you want to have like a couch underneath, and they are lower bunks, right? But underneath here, you've got your outdoor kitchen on one side, and I'm assuming like plumbing on the other side. You do have 4 bunks, and look at this closet. This is a lot of storage. And there's an outlet up here. I bet you could set a TV on top of here, and you've got plenty of room for kids storage. This is also a removable shelf. So if you wanted to do something else, you know, tall inside here, you've got the space. Each bed has a window. There are no outlets anywhere except that outlet here. So I see extension cords being run in here. Let's check out the master bedroom. This is a 50 amp rig, and there are 2 air conditioners. That one right here, and you've got an air conditioner in the bedroom. Now, there is no door here. What we have here is a curtain for privacy, right? So there you go. You've got a curtain for privacy. Inside the bedroom, you have standard under the bed storage. You have 4 cabinets on the top. You've got a smaller cabinet on each side, and then behind that cabinet is a hidden shelf. You know, put your electronics, whatever you might want. And then this is a nice big shelf on both sides, so you've got plenty of room to set things down, whatever you need. There's an outlet on this side and an outlet on this side, so you do have 2 outlets on each side of the bed. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this Coachmen Apex, this new X series, right? Let us know what you think of the new X series. Do you like the higher walls? Do you like the lower price point? And if you want to know what the price is, check a dealer in your location. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking this adventure with us. If you want to watch more Apex tours, we got them linked up here.